Okay class, so we continue with another subtopic. The last subtopic for this week, okay, for this week. So it's about velocity, direction, speed, and acceleration. Okay, so actually this is the application that we can relate with the vector function. Okay, so yeah, you need to know how to find the velocity, direction, speed, and also acceleration. So okay, so we go to the definition first. So for the velocity, usually we use v lah, okay, v as a velocity. So how to get v? You need to differentiate your f once. Okay, so maksudnya f ni dia akan bagi dalam soalan if you given to you your function, right, your vector function. So how to get v means that you just differentiate your f, so you get your v. Then how to get your acceleration? Pecutan. Acceleration and velocity is related, right? It's related to each other, right? So to get acceleration, which is, or we denote as a, so means that you need to differentiate your v. Betul? Selama ni kalau you belajar fizik pun, if you study fizik, to get v, to get a means that you need to find v first, which is velocity, and then after that you differentiate your v, right? And then you get your a lah. So v prime means f double prime. Can you see? Can you relate to these two? Okay, I repeat again. To get v, you need to find your f prime. F prime, okay? So to get acceleration, you need to v prime. So v prime means that you need to differentiate your f prime. F prime tadi f prime, and then you need to prime again. So which is twice lah. Okay? So to get velocity, you need to f prime. To get acceleration, you need to double prime. Okay? And then how to get direction? Okay, direction is about what we call the speed. Okay, direction means that you just find out your v over magnitude v. Okay, your v just now is f prime. So magnitude v, okay, so magnitude v ni apa pula? Magnitude v ni you need to find out the apa tu magnitude v ni? Okay, saya tulis sini lah. Ataupun magnitude f prime Okay, v is equal to f prime so saya tulis magnitude f prime. So you need to have a square root, and then each of the items here, I, j, k tu, you need to power 2. So you will get the answer. So the answer is a number. So means that it's what we call is they have no longer vector for magnitude. Okay, magnitude is not a vector yet. Okay, it must be a number. Okay, so direction is equal to v over magnitude v. Okay, alright. Okay, the last one is speed. Okay, to get speed, speed is a magnitude. So it's a magnitude. So means that speed is, macam mana saya nak tulis ni ya? So speed is a magnitude. Maksudnya macam tu. Magnitude v. So ataupun saya tulis tadi lah magnitude f prime. Okay, so to get direction, okay, mungkinlah susun saya tak betul. To get direction, actually you find speed first. So after you find speed, just substitute lah the value of your v, you dah buat kat situ velocity tadi, kan? Okay, so means that this formula is important lah for this subtopic. So first one is velocity, second one is acceleration, third one is speed, and the last one is direction. Okay, so I give you example. Okay, I give you example. So let's say a person on a hang glider is spiraling upward due to, okay, maybe you can refer, I mean this is the different example lah. Kalau you nak try another example, you can refer to the slides. Okay. Due to rapidly, actually sometimes situation ni tak ada sangat pun dia punya hidden apa-apa. Just look at the example. Tapi it just want to represent the situation lah, tu je. Okay. On a path having position vector. Okay, position vector. So this is the vector. RT. Okay, even though it's R, so means that yeah, it can use any F label. It can be F, it can be R. Okay, tak penting pun R ke F ke, tapi as long as that one is a vector yang you kena tahulah. So 3 cos Ti plus 3 sin Tj plus T square K. And the question asks you to find A. Find out the velocity and acceleration. Okay. Alright, so I repeat again the question now. A person on a hang glider is spiraling upward due to rapidly rising air on a path having position vector. Macam saya cakap tadi, actually all of this not what we call not influence your question pun. They just want to make it this situation which is relate to the mathematics. Okay, so kalau you rasa tak nak, bukanlah maksudnya macam, okay, obviously they have nothing numbers here, means that it's just a situation. The point here is this is your equation. Okay, this is your vector function. So you just look at your vector function. Okay, so now this is your vector function, and the question asks you to find the velocity and also add the acceleration. So find out first velocity first. So just now I show you, I write that velocity v is equal to f prime, right? So means that this is your r, so means that your r prime. So v is equal to r prime. So you just differentiate this equation. So what we get? Negative 3 sin Ti plus 3 cos Tj and then plus 2Tk. Simple, can? Right. So you just solve for the velocity. So now next for acceleration, v double prime. Okay, v double prime. So means that you just differentiate again this one. Not differentiate the original one. Differentiate the r prime just now. Because v prime, okay, A is equal to v prime is equal to r double prime. So you just differentiate this one again. So we have negative 3 cos Ti plus negative 3 sin Tj plus 2k. That's it. Simple. Okay. Okay, maybe some of you cannot see what I write here, so I just speak on you. R prime is equal to negative 3 sin Ti plus 3 cos Tj plus 2Tk. That one is for velocity. And for acceleration is negative 3 cos Ti plus or minus. If you open the bracket, it should be minus lah. Okay, plus negative 3 sin Tj plus 2K. So that one the first one. Okay, second question asks you to find the speed. Okay, speed. Okay, just now speed is magnitude v or magnitude r prime v. R prime lah, magnitude r prime. So just now you already find out your r prime, right? You dah ada r prime kan tadi? So what we do is just take it the r prime just now. Okay, tadi you dah dapat r prime kan? So negative 3 sin t square plus without IJK, make sure jangan ambil IJK, just take it the what we call the function. Negative 3 sin t square plus 3 cos t square plus 2t square. So simple, just solve it. So 9 sin square t plus 9 cos square t plus 4t square. Simplify 9, so factorize 9, so you have sin square t plus cos square t plus 4t square. And then this one is equal to 1. Okay, this is a trigonal identity, so we have 1. So 9 plus 4t square. Simple, easy. Okay, it is speed. Okay, right? So kalau tanya direction, just combine lah. Direction is V over magnitude V, right? So you just combine. You already calculate your V, you already calculate your magnitude, so just substitute. But the question is just uptail speed je kat sini, okay? Alright? Okay, so we finish week of